Gotta clean the truck out today. I'm sure we'll find something in here, but yeah, I got no work and I need somewhere to shove appliances to be able to scrap, so that's what I'm gonna do. Working on it. That's what we got so far. All copper. All done. That's what she looks like when she's clean. That's the 3 bags of trash. And that's the bucket full of copper. It's gonna go into the back, into our bucket, because we're gonna fill that bucket still. And that's what we're working on here. But that's it for this day, because I just fell onto my trailer and right there and hurt myself, and I am done. My back is fucking killing me. And we'll pick up another day. Good afternoon, everybody. We're back. It's the next day. Hey, this is the bucket. That's what we got. Now the cleanup of the truck. We're gonna add it to that bucket. It's about halfway full, and we're working on it. Cleaning out the van. Just found a couple dollars. Almost cleaned out. I have somebody coming for the sheetrock. The light's going in the trash. Same with everything else, except for the metal. I'm gonna probably give that away too. It's a cabinet.